To help us learn about IDing weeds, we have a very special guest for this episode, Nat Bletter.
Now we're going to talk about ivy gourd, which is super common invasive weed in the gourd family, obviously, in Hawaii, that has really nice edible leaves. They're pretty young and supple and kind of neutral tasting, so you can eat them either in a stir fry or make a saag paneer or something like that. Pretty tasty, and it's pretty ubiquitous. It's identifiable because it has these tendrils on the leaves that have generally alternating leaves, so they go back and forth across the stem. Occasionally you'll have two coming out at one node.
When you pick ivy gourd shoots, pick the tender parts. Like if it comes off easily in your hand, those are the most tasty bits.
And then it has these white flowers that look kind of like squash blossoms. And they have fruit that are about thumb or a little gherkin pickle size. They go from green to red as they ripen, and they're fairly bitter, and they have very smooth skin.
So here's a nice amount as a side dish for breakfast with fried eggs and rice. It's one of my favorites.